Good morning. Good morning. How is everybody doing this morning? I hope you're ready to go and you're ready to make some money today. Today we're going to be looking at GTT. All right. It's our first stock here. I think is the top leading pre-market gainer. Yeah, it's a 46 million in float. Let's see. I don't see any current or recent news on it. Okay, and then we have TELL. TEL. This one's a smaller float, it's a larger float, 287 million. So it's a large float. Currently at 583 with 8 billion in volume. So this is our current top leading gainer at the moment. Not GTT anymore. So this one does have news. It says the company announced a 10-year long agreement for MTPA with Vital. Okay, so they have a purchase agreement with Vital, which is it's a good keyword. Purchase and agreement are good keywords to keep an eye on. The only problem thing is it's 287 million in volume. I mean in the float. So it's a large float, so it's gonna move slow. It's not gonna be as volatile. And you just have to be patient with it. And then we have GOED as a third top leading gainer. And GOED, it says it reports to start Q2 with combined April written orders for up to 100% to 82 million in April revenues, so up 140%. So it's up basically on this press release that it has a strong Q2 with up to 140 million percent in revenues. So we'll keep an eye on that. And then SPI kind of moving a little bit there too. It has low volume. I'm not gonna mess with it right now. And then we have AMC. Okay, also now this one had an offering, or they announced an offering, and that's why you had like this $20 move to the downside. If you trade options, you've seen the meme stocks been going these last few days. And today we even have BlackBerry moving as well. So this one is today what I keep an eye on. We do see on the daily that we hit a resistance there. So we'll see if we can move any higher. If it does break, we have room up to that 18 area, 73. Let's go back and look at GTT and let's see if we have any more room to run. So basically we've hit the top there, 274. If we break, we're gonna have some resistance right here, about the $3 range. Not only is $3 natural resistance, but we have previous resistance in this area as well. TELL. All right, so this one, we had a previous resistance here. Okay, and we finally had a third touch breakout in this area, and we broke above. So we'll see where we can go from here. Let's go to the weekly and see how far we can go. So in the weekly, we have room to run to that 676. Okay, so we're gonna be, so this area was previous support. So yeah, around this area, if we can keep going, the 6 natural resistance, we break 6, we have room to run to about 675, 676 area. So this one has a little bit of room to go. Then we have GOED. So GOAD, look at this. The 2 times it has run big, it just gives everything back. So let's be cautious on this one. You see this big wick up to $17 and just everything back. This one up to 16 and everything back. So it does not hold its gains. It's kind of a pump and dump. We're at 285 right now. So we'll see what we can do with this one. Probably maybe we can approach the $4 range. We'll see. We'll see. But this one does not hold its gains. If it takes off, especially if it takes off big, it's just gonna give everything back. General Motors also, it's a stock I'm watching. Kind of gapped up here at the pre-market. I believe they have some news. They see significantly better than previous guidance. Customers meet strong consumer demand. So GM is moving. If you play previous high 63.44, so it's gonna have some resistance there. We'll see if you play some option calls. 63.44 is gonna be a hard resistance. But GM has been nothing but uptrending, okay? Nothing but uptrending since April. So is there something that you want me to look at? Let me know, put it in the comments. But so far, that's what we're looking at. If you want me to look at something else, put it in the comments. Also Tesla, because I scalp Tesla on a daily basis. We can see here that Tesla is currently on a downtrend and trying to break above here on the 4-hour. Let's go ahead and draw ourselves a nice, you know what, let's fix that. All right, so we are gonna have some resistance here around the 603, 604. Right now on the daily, we're forming kind of a doji candle. We'll see how it closes. But a lot of times, and if you're here daily, you'll hear me say, anytime we break a trend, either to the upside or to the downside, we break trend, we come and test that trend, which now becomes resistance, because it was previously support. It'll test it, and then it'll continue to the downside. So Tesla does have room to run. It did touch 545, so probably the support area right here around 467 area. So if it does reject here this trend line, which a lot of times stocks do, it's gonna come down, test this low. So we'll see what happens today. We might get a little bump to the upside around the 604 area, or even 613, and then continue this downward momentum on the days to come. We'll see. We'll see what happens. You can also draw a trend here on the daily. All right. So we'll see what else. Again, if there's something you want me to look at, let's go ahead and put it in the comments. Other than that, we are ready to go. I hope you're ready to go. You got your level set and ready to trade the market. So okay, 1 minute and 45 seconds to go. So my lowest float is gonna be GTT. No, the lowest float is gonna be yeah, GTT. Actually, GOED is 2.1 million in float, 2 million in float, and GOD. So let's keep that one on watch. Tesla hitting that resistance. So GOED top watch. GOED. This is small float. Let's see if we can break market highs. I would like to see GOED come and test the VWAP and then take off, but we'll see. I would like to see a pullback. GTT 354. Okay, here comes GOED. We can get a pullback. Okay, I'm getting some right here. See if we can get a bounce here on the VWAP. Okay, let's see if we can bounce here. You're watching it here. See if we can hold VWAP. Okay. Okay, not holding VWAP. Let's see. We find some support here. So GTT right now leading gainer. Currently up. Let's see, we hold some support there at GOED. I'm not in full position. Let me see. Maybe I'll add a little bit more here. See, I wasn't. Oh, I failed to see this crossover on the MACD. Watching it here. Okay, so I'm gonna get out there just because this candle closed below. So I lost 3 cents there in profit. I was in small. Okay, it's coming back up. I didn't like that the candle closed below the VWAP. Let's see if it rejects. Oh, it just popped up. I could have been break even now. Sell SPY, put overnight. Oh, Jay, you held SPY put. Nice, man. You're pretty much nailing all the SPY options that you do. That's nice, man. Yeah, 253 was good support there on the 15-minute as well. I just don't like the momentum's crossing over to the downside. We'll see. No direction whatsoever now. Gonna chop. Up. Okay, starting the morning with a little small loss. Not a big deal. AMC kind of swearing down. Sndl back to pre-market highs. I've been swinging this one, so Sndl looking really nice. Let me go to Tesla. This is my bread and butter. I thought Tesla had to move to the upside. Yeah, it did. Contracts didn't even move up. Let's see if we can come test this 200 EMA here. GOAD, choppy range right now. Trying to look for a scalp here on Tesla. Just give me 1 minute. Nothing really much going on. Okay, 200 AMA here. Let's see if we can get a bounce. It looks like we're going to come into this trend line. GTT trying to test a day, and so is GOED. Sndl 100%. Were you swinging that one too, Jay? Were you also swinging Sndl? Okay, let's see if we can move. Have a bounce here. Go Tesla. Yeah, that ain't gonna work. GTT to $4. Okay, okay. Slow mover, but that's a bigger float. GOED. That's such a low float and it ain't doing anything. And what else? What are you guys watching? Let me know. Let me know. I started in the red today. I should have held a little bit longer here in the support. See what happens here. The Sndl. Oh man. The Sndl giving a lot of it back. JEN giving everything back. Fila. And some support there. Wave yarn. Next TD. A lot of stuff red today, guys. WKHS is went up nicely. A lot of stuff in the red. GTT moving up. New high 5435. Tesla finding that support there. Now he's doing what I wanted. So I was right. It just had to double bottom there. I just didn't like that the MACD crossed over. What a move on Tesla. I give up a little too soon. Okay, so GOED. SPY also having a bounce here. GOED break of 2. So we're forming this. Let me redraw that. I would watch this right here. I can't. That break right here. Uh, 280. GOED. Let's see if we can. I think GOED is setting up to go. I'm gonna start grabbing some dips here. As long as we hold above this trend line right here. You can see MACD wanting to curl up. Okay, let's see if we can hold this uptrend right here. Holding the 200 EMA on GOED. Again, I like this one because it's the lowest float. It can really take off. Um, GTT is the top leading gainer. Is just large float, and it does take a slow mover. But GOED can really take off if it gets momentum. So I'm keeping a close eye on it. It's the top leading gainer right now. So here we go. GTT also taking off. GTT testing high day for 50. I want GOED to break 280 and fly. All right, GTT 475. GTT moving up really nice. Maybe the float is wrong on trade ideas on GTT. Let's see. The float is 25 million on GTT. Okay, so it's not as trade ideas is wrong. The scanner. It has 46 million. Okay, so just check Yahoo Finance. Let's check GOED. Make sure it's right. Float, this is 5 million. Okay, still so a lower float. Okay, let's go GOED. Let's break out. See momentum. You see the red dots. You could squeeze, guys. But now this smaller lower float than GTT. That's why I'm favoring this one, but we'll see. There's a lot more volume. 2 times the volume on GTT. Okay, finally making new high. I'm swinging that one. That's what I'm looking at. GOED. Let's go GOED. Okay, now we're getting signal on the 3 minutes, so that's a good sign here. We need to stay above this candle. Okay, watching GOED with the break here. Let's go. 3-minute looking good. MACD wants to curl on up on 3-minute. TTM looked like he wants to squeeze. Just need some volume to come in. Okay, here we go. 77. Oh, let's break that 280. There it is. We're breaking now. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. MACD hasn't even crossed. Let's get that squeeze, man. Get that squeeze. Let's go. Let's break that 284. We're hitting that resistance here in the 4-hour. You have room to $3. Let's go. For a low float, this is moving up kind of slow. Let's go. This thing should be flying and halting. What is the deal? Okay, there we go. Let's squeeze. Let's go. Let's squeeze. Is Sndl back up? It's having resistance there at the 150 level. GOED, let's go. You are a mover. Come on, you're a low float. You're now second top gainer. Let's go. What a move on Tesla. Jeez, man. Let's go. 285. Ah, you're moving like a snail. Come on, you're a low float. Let's go. Oh, that squeeze was weak. For 6 million in float, that's weak. Come on, man. Look at that. Look at that squeeze was weak. Let's go. You're a low float. Come on, 289. Break. Slap it. Slap it. Ah, there's a wall there. There's a wall at 280. Slap it. Slap it. Slap it. Let's go. A wall there, 289. Let's go. Slap it. Jeez. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? Yeah, I'm up already. I'm just gonna lock it up here. 290 wall, man. I can't believe that little move on a low float. That thing should have been flying. Come on. Yeah, tail soaring down. GTT just broke its trend. You're like, what trend? I'll show you what trend. Wait. This trend right here. Let's see what Tesla's doing. Oh my gosh, what a move, Tesla. Wow, man, what a move. You might think it's not a lot, but when you play contracts in this type of moves, they're huge. I gotta go over my trade today and see where I went wrong. Obviously, I needed to hold a little bit more. I got out just a tad too early. I just didn't like that we couldn't break above this first time. A lot of times you gotta wait for the double bottom move and then go in. Let me know what you guys are looking at. AMC down today. So AMC is kind of rejecting the 200 EMA. So watch that. Okay. Reject it, and we're gonna reject it again. GOED still trying. Silo. Let me know what you're watching. GOED still holding there in the 280 range. GTT. Let's look at GTT. We're still above VWAP. Watching this MACD here, looks like it wants to roll down. We'll see. GOED. In GOED, we have this downtrend we need to break. No, kind of flagging, but looks like it broke to the downside with this wick right here. We'll see what happens. Yeah. Sndl moving back. Okay, so tail's just kind of soaring down, giving it everything back. GTT is holding up well above VWAP. The only concern here is MACD wants to turn over to the negative side. And it's losing momentum on the histogram, and so is on the TTM screen, so that's a bit of concern. GOED still kind of flagging here. Being such a low float, I don't know why it's not going. It is taking some time. VISL is a stock that I'm looking at as well. As you can see, it's breaking this trend right here, and it's looking for a move to the upside. Has room to 275 right now. I took 100% puts off. I took 140%, 30% off puts. On the, oh, you're on a spike call now? Where's Dogecoin? 40 cents. Oh, MACD is currently on Dogecoin. This thing's gonna start looking good. We're gonna get MACD traders here. Probably reach 50 cents. And so you look a lot on the US dollar currency index, right, Jay? You trade SPY. You did the opposite of what this is doing. So today we had a pop. It's down. See, the problem is with this free version, I don't get to see the 2 hour, I mean the hourly and the short time frames. I only see the daily. What's wrong doing? I didn't even realize we had gone 19 cents. Bitcoin, I'm moving up as well. All right, GOED look like it's trying again. GOED look like it's trying. Okay, this was flagging. I can't believe it's having such a hard time. Such a low float. What is the deal? Are you in anything today, Jay? Are you holding anything? Okay, so GOED and I had a pop and drop there, 287. I'll back down to 278. GTT, the top gainer, top leading in volume, 77 million. maybe traders aren't in JOD because of what is done in the past, you know, this pop and drops type of stuff. That they don't like it, they don't want to be caught, and so forth. They lose interest. GTT broke current downtrend. So these are my thoughts on GTT. We can hold above because we're at 77 million in volume right now. If we get to 100 and 140, anywhere closer to the 200 range in volume, that's a lot of volume. And we stay above the 200 and the VWAP by end of day, this thing has room to run to up to 667 area level here. So this would be a good overnight to hold if we hold above 200 and VWAP. On GTT. We have to continue to get volume, but I will consider this holding overnighter with if we stay above the 200 all day. So let's see. Let's cross our fingers. We could have a runner. Sndl. Having a lot of resistance in that 150 area. Yeah, if we can't break it, I might consider just taking my profits on Sndl. I'm gonna put an alert on UAMY. We have this reversal confirmation right here. If it can come down close to this trend, and I'll grab to go long on this stock. Not looking too shabby. MDGS. Came down for a minute here. Digital brands. On this one, I'm loading below. Below $3. Below $3. DBGI has a lot of room to run. MVIV. There's another one I'm holding. VISL. This one's looking really nice. Oh man. So, VISL breaking trend, we're holding this uptrend on the 4-hour. We have room at 380. Looks like a good setup to me. This one I grabbed some yesterday. We're getting the signal right at the uptrend. Okay, we're riding this uptrend. This one has room to run to close to $3 and just keep going. This is a really good setup too. It's AESE. I don't know if you can see it on YouTube, but Okay, on my portfolio, my long-term portfolio, the only thing that I'm down on is coin. Coin is the only thing I'm in the red. What's up with coin? So I want coin to come close to that $200 range so I can add more. That's where I want to load, bring my average down. I'm being patient on that one. Other than that, looking really nice. Everything's up. Oh my gosh, WKHS. WKHS. Up very nice on this one. And in dip buys, this one's paying off. Wow. Oh. Really, really nice. You bought a put now? So you sold your call and bought a put? Jay? You kind of switched positions now? Yeah, I had 417 resistance. Around that, yeah, 418. So I went up there and now coming down. I really don't play SPY, you know? It's a little just slow for me. You kind of have to hold a little longer. But it's interesting the way you play it. Kind of liking it. Kind of hold some swings over night. I can't remember the last time I played SPY. I really don't. This one's good. So yesterday, I loaded on this one. I can take off this below 6, and we ran to 935. It was beautiful. Still watching it for another possible entry. For Jan, we're testing the uptrend now. It'd be nice around here. I'm gonna see where it goes during lunch. Looking for another run. It still has room to run. I have it going up to that 1366 area. And JEN. Very low flow, can move very fast. UOED coming down, and GTT and holding the 200 EMA. Yeah, GTT is probably gonna be my top watch after seeing GOED not doing much. GTT is gonna be my top watch. The volume is now 84 million. If we can hold, here we go, the RSI bounce direction. And you have the RSI bouncing and coincides with the level, with the EMA or support level. The possibilities of it bouncing are very, very high. So GTT might be an overnight hold. I'm gonna keep an eye on it, especially if we go to lunch hours, guys. And in lunch hours we hold above 200 EMA. Very, very bullish sign. I don't want to see it crack under. I think this is gonna be the one. So Jay says, lately I've been playing for short percentage because they add up. Yeah, they sure do, man. They sure do. That's how you grow your account. People don't understand that. People always want to go for home runs. Trust me, I used to do it all the time too. Now you'll hit, don't get me wrong, you'll hit, when the market's hot, you'll hit a few home runs. If you're hold, but then you end up losing it all. So base hits to me is always more consistent and just always being more profitable in the long run. Okay, Sndl. Fine here. Oh, a lot of resistance there at that 140 area level. Hopefully we can break 150 so I can continue holding. If we don't, I'm just gonna lock up for profits. Okay, finally making new high. Okay, just got news that FAMI, it's scheduled to attend second China Industry Expo June 3rd to the 5th, which is today. They're going to be attending China's Industry Expo. We're at 54 cents. FAMI is one that I got caught on an offering. I was swinging this one and I got caught in an offering. And so this one I'm currently right on. And I added here when I had that offering at 29 cents. And I was almost break even, but I decided to hold. So it's not looking too shabby. Okay. It's not being really choppy around these ranges. WKHS. Oh yeah, guys, don't forget to like the video. Please like it. It'll help us come out more on recommended channels if you like it. It really helps us out. Steven here. Steven, what are you playing, man? Where you at, Steven? Are you here? This Jay. All right, overall not a good start for me. Tesla really got me today. It's okay. I was in a row with Tesla. Today was just not a good day. My timing was a little bit off on Tesla, and it looks like it's at it again. It'll be nice if we can break that downtrend. We have room to about this 13 area. I'm kind of just sitting back, guys, waiting for something to set up. I am in the red today. I had been green all week. Last week I had, I think, one red day also. So when that happens, I like to sit back, kind of not force anything, because kind of your emotions try to take over. You have to just settle down. Sometimes it's better to live to trade another day. I made a little bit back with GOED. I took a small loss at the opening of the market, and then I made it back and made a bit more on GOED. But Tesla went a little heavy, a little too heavy. And I kind of got faked out a little bit there. I would have held just a little bit more. I had the right idea. Okay, so I was in Tesla here, all right, and then this wick down right here, I got taken out. So you can see after that wick, we just continued uptrend. Huge trend there. Overall, I think after reviewing the trade, I didn't look at my 3-minute. I felt I was in already when I was looking MACD crossing to the downside. And usually when you're crossing, when you're coming down, you know, I don't get in until we start seeing momentum to the upside. So I got in a little too early. My entry should have been the second pop here, knowing that it had double bottom and that we were getting already change of direction here in the TTM squeeze. I got in right here, right when everything was going to the red. Bad entry, but it happens to the best of us. Sometimes we fail to look at every indicator to give us an entry, and that time it got me. GTT, okay, GTT. So I haven't played GTT, but now it's looking kind of juicy here. Okay, GTT's it's looking juicy here. Let's see if we can start building momentum for a potential reversal. And possibly get a new high. GOED just coming down. I'm gonna leave that one alone for now. SPY bouncing. Listen. So SPY broke that 418. Gonna test 419. Okay. I playing a little bit of games, Jay. Very undecisive. Sndl. So it seems like the market opened low. Everything was kind of coming down, and now everything's kind of coming up. A lot of times, two reasons: people are taking profits from yesterday's overnighters, and also people that have stop losses at certain areas. They just market makers bring the prices down, get all the stop losses out of the way, and then drive the prices back up. They're savage, man. They're out here to take your money. Steven, you're still holding DPW, my friend. What is DPW doing today? 284. All right. Yeah, we're bouncing off that trend. Yeah, every time we make a new high, it comes back to test this trend right here. So it's almost like you could sell the pop, buy the dip, sell the pop, buy the dip. But I know Steven is more of a holder. You like to hold. Maybe because of that day trade purposes, you're on PDT rule or something. Not too sure. But Steven has diamond hands on DPW and he wants $4. And actually, DPW is looking good on the daily. Yeah, it's kind of ranging. Yeah, breaking that 3. We're gonna hit 3. Yeah, that 325 resistance. And then basically every 25 cents, we are gonna have that resistance there, Steven, around 357. So unless it takes a little bit longer, this trend is gonna keep moving up and maybe be around $4 by the time it hits it. But we'll see. But overall, green candles on daily is not looking too shabby. Looking good. It's up today. I still regret not getting in on the $2 dip on DPW. I missed it. Okay, so yeah, multiple counts. Sweet, man. There you go. Yeah, that's a good idea too, and that's what I used to do too when back in the days when I was getting started. I couldn't day trade, so I had PDT rules. So I opened up multiple accounts so I can trade with one. One day I would trade another one another day, and so forth. So yeah, sweet. And even now I still hold like my long-term portfolio. I have it on Robinhood. It's because I don't have to worry about executing fast trades. I'm not scalping. I put it in my limit orders. When they fail, they fail. I leave it alone. I'm always buying at support levels on large caps that I think have potential growth to keep on growing over the years. And this past 2 months were just a lot of stuff on sale that I loaded on, and right now I'm up very, very nicely. And I did that on Robinhood. So yeah, having multiple accounts definitely helps. So, and day trading, I do it all on TOS, TD Ameritrade, just because I need to look at the charts. I need to look at my indicators when I'm scalping. GTT. Okay, here we go. GTT looking like we are gonna get some sign of reversal here. Let's remove that. Let's draw it again. Okay, so I'm liking this setup right here. Let's say we can break above 430 area. Okay, SPY moving up and Tesla moving up, making new highs today. So not too shabby. Looking like everything's coming up. Sndl, let's go, man. Let's break that 150. So cannabis stocks. Let's look at TLRY. I know Jay was holding to TLRY in the past. We went up to 22. Yeah, this one still has more upside. Let me look at my chart over here. Yeah, MACD crossed over. We have room to about 24 bucks. And we've just been uptrending. Not too shabby. All right, let's go to GTT. All right, maybe we're gonna come and test this 200 EMA. Let's hold that 200 EMA, man. Let's go. We need a hold. We need a hold. We need a hold. 200 EMA. Yeah, deep Webull is nice for charting. Yeah, if you're gonna trade on your phone, Webull is the way to go. And I think they recently upgraded their platform too. Let me see. Yeah, their platform looks like they did some upgrading. I have some money on Webull. Oh, okay. Maybe I should use it for something. So, yeah. Webull's nice. Yeah, if you're gonna trade and you have nothing to watch your levels, Webull's probably the best way to go. Using your phone or tablet or even your computer. Okay, GTT holding 200 EMA. It's 10 already. UED kind of holding as well. Sndl. Okay, we're moving on up. Let's see. There we go. There we go. Look at this. We got our entry and we're in an uptrend. Very nice. Watching GTT, guys. Okay, now we're getting signs of reversal here. Holding the 200 EMA. Okay, GOED and GTT kind of having the same setup. Guys, don't forget to like the video. Like the video, please, please. Okay, GTT. Let me remove this make this a little better. GTT. Watching MACD here. See if we can break this downtrend and keep going up. Maybe make a new high. 93 million in volume now, guys. GTT 93 million in volume. Okay, if we get a 140 or near 200,000 and we stay above 200, it's kind of side trading today in a range between if we don't break a new high right now, we just trade kind of in a range and we stay above 200. This will easily be a overnighter. A nice move. We do have room to on the daily to this level right here, and let me put a little right there. That's my target. We need to stay above 200 EMA though. I am gonna scalp it during the day, and I will swing it overnight. We stay above 200 and VWAP when the bell rings. Volume now at 94 million. Steven and Jay, do you guys even trade penny stocks? Well, Steven does. He traded DPW, but Jay, do you mainly trade options? The Sndl 30% now. Let's see. There it is. Gonna try to break that 150. Let's go, Sndl. What is Fami doing? And we need to hold these levels. Hey, come on, GTT, you gotta hold. Okay, guys, I'm looking at Tesla here for a possible bounce off VWAP. AGTT. Not holding the 200. I'll go back and look at it right now. Looking for a setup here on Tesla. And here we go, coming closer to VWAP and the 200 EMA there. What are you guys watching right now? Are you currently in something? Are you guys playing something? Really, bro? Just skip me. Skip my order here. Great move here on Tesla. It failed me one contract. I don't know why I skipped everything. Huh. Wow. What a bummer, man. One contract, really, man. Very, very messy day. All right, GTT, hacking the 200 EMA. I don't like that. Hopefully we can get back above GOED. Actually, GOED is holding the 200 EMA. It's very, very choppy for a low float. Oh man, what's this doing? Okay, back down. That's why you take your profits quick on Tesla, because it goes against you. Okay, this one that I was filling in right here, this downtrend. XELE. And I don't want it to go below. What do I have? Sndl. Oh my gosh, that 150 just dropped again. Yeah, people are looking to sell there. Look at it, took it forever to get up there and it just got shorted really bad. Sndl. Army also down. Let's see the oh, I'm at 30 minutes here. There we go. I was on the weekly. So we're breaking trend here. Testing trend. Hopefully move to the upside. Don't want to keep coming down here. It's the bottom. CTRM, you're up 20%, Jay. CTRM, let's take a look at it. Holy moly. Was this a stock split or? Okay, yeah, so it had a reverse stock split. It was kind of consolidating, and today it had a move to the upside. So I think sales results were up. So Ethereum. Okay. This is one I had on my watch list yesterday. Did very well today. I was looking for a pullback. I'll take it out. See, it broke this flag right here on the 4 hour. Broke through. It has room to $3. We have a lot of targets here. We could hit to the upside, so something to watch. So GOED holding 200. Look at Tesla quick. Yeah, I had a reverse stock split. Oh no, TRM. Steven, so DPW is the only thing you're playing? You're swinging? You're not playing anything else? Okay, so I made a little bit back on that Tesla trade. Got a little bit of my money back. Hardly anything. One contract is not gonna do anything. I don't know why I skipped all my contracts. Kind of off today, man. Nice pop there on Tesla also. It's like a 25-cent move. That's nice. Kind of watching right now. So GOED is holding up. Let's take a look at it. Yeah, GOED just right in the 200. Every time it comes to it, it gets buys there. A lot of buyers at 200. So pops up, shorted to the 200. 200 buyers come in. GTT now 101 million in volume, guys. What's the float on this one? $25 million in float. GTT 25 million in float. So it's rotated already a few times. All right, 20 minutes, guys, before lunch hours. Let me know if there's anything you want me to look at, check out. I'll put it up. We'll go over it real quick before lunch hours. Give me 1 second. All right, guys. What is going on? Sndl. GTT breaking down. If we can't hold this 350 level, this thing's gonna come down to test this trend line right here, the support at the pre-market level. So if it comes down here, I'm gonna load some shares for a nice bounce. If it breaks below, I'll take a small loss. Does that sound like a plan? I wanted to take a small loss for a potential big reversal there. Tail. This one actually made a little move to the upside. GOED, holding volume, holding VWAP and 200 EMA. So maybe break that to this is the lower flow, so maybe I'll get going during lunch hours. We'll see. See what happens. Let me know if there's something you want me to look at. We'll go over some technical levels before we have 12 minutes here before lunchtime. Kind of a choppy day for me. What did what did AMC do today? They continue coming down. Okay, digital brands here had a pop. I mentioned this one yesterday. Loading below 290. I mean below $3. I added some at 290. It has been beaten down. It has a lot of room to run. It broke the downtrend here on the 4-hour, and we have tons of room to run on this one. So anything below 3, this one's a load, and stop loss below 280. So anybody likes that one? Oh, here's a question. What do you think of FSLI? All right, so we're currently on an uptrend here on the what is up with my mouse? There you go. Yeah, so we're currently on an uptrend here on the daily and the 4-hour. Looks Gucci. We have resistance at 50. MACD crossing over the daily. Yeah, so over 50, this has room to run to 54, $60. Yep. We need to break above that 50, and this thing gonna run up to. My first target would be around 54, and then hold some for 60, and potentially 69 here on the daily. But as long as we stay on this uptrend, I mean, you can even load if it drops below around the 46 dollar area, and if it breaks below, then you get out for a small loss. As long as we've been riding this trend, look at this since last Friday. We started this trend, and then we tested it. We tested it. And so I can come and test it again. That would be a good place to load. Close to 46. So it's looking good. It's looking good on the daily. Just get some volume. It could hit that 60, 69 area. Oh, you're in at 46 already. Okay. Yeah, that was a good entry. That is a good entry. Right on that trend line. So yeah, you're good, man. As long as you stay above that trend, you're Gucci. Yeah, 60 would be a nice target. Then 69. If you're holding if you're holding some, I mean, what I do is I scale out, on the way up. So, I'm green no matter what. If anything were to come out, bad news, anything, I end up with some sort of profit. So I always try to secure something. My Sndl showed really bad. WKHS, nice move and just went back down. I'm holding this log chair, so Ford Motors also, nice move. Ford, I was loading these areas. I don't know why I still have this alert. Take it off. Yeah, really nice on Ford Motors. Anything else, guys? Let me know. We have 5 minutes. Let me know any other charts you want me to look at it. We'll go over some technical analysis, and you'll be good for the rest of the day. GTT right now 106 million in volume. I was hoping that we will stay above the 200 all day. We can swing overnight. Doesn't look like that's gonna happen right now. Let's see if we can reclaim it and see where we end up at the end of the day. It is coming to this low level right here where we had support on pre-market, so probably grab some there, but the stop loss below 3. So I'll risk a few sets for a big move up to the 200. Okay, here's one to watch. WISA is also on my scanner. Up 11%. This one to watch. This one has been moving slowly. My daily. Yep, 250 support there. RMED also up a bit here. Here are some to watch, guys. XCLA. Okay. I was adding, I told you earlier, I was adding at these levels right here. because it broke trend like it always does, come back and test it, and I'm hoping for a bigger move up to $2. So unless I get some kind of news. On the second, it got that the price target. They gave it a price target of $4. So you can take that with a grain of salt and do some diligence. But yeah, so I'm just gonna give it a few cents. We break below this consolidation, I'll get out. But again, like I always say, my risk is only a few cents, and my reward, it's 50, 60 $1 moves. So not too shabby. That's why I like buying on the very bottom support. NXTD is another one. Okay, so got reversal. I'm looking for $1 move, $7. YVR, I've mentioned this one a couple of times. This one, yesterday we went up to 208. We're back down today, but overall just consolidating here. If we can get some sort of as a matter any good PR here, we could jump up. We have room to run all the way to the 320 area. So keeping that one on watch. I have some entries in the low 80s on that one. MDGS is another one you want to keep an eye on. We broke daily downtrend, okay, and maybe come back and test it and then move to a bigger move. This one, news, it'll pop pretty nice as well. QAMEY, another one I'm watching here for potential up to $1 move. I'm not in that one yet. LGHL also broke daily uptrend, come and test and then move higher. VISL, this one looks mighty good too. We were up to 259 this morning. We got a reversal arrow here, confirmation. We have support on 230. So anything close to 230 would be a good buy. Plus we have this uptrend here on the 4-hour. And I'm looking for $3 plus on this one. This one never disappoints. I was grabbing some yesterday. 240. If we can come back down a little bit, I'm gonna be grinding some dips on this one. But this one will run. Then CEI, I've been swinging for a while. VIV, digital brands. This one on watch. 312, very beaten up stock, breaking downtrend, has a lot of room to run. And that's it, guys. That is it. So it's 11 o'clock. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Okay, I'm here every morning trading the market live. All right, whatever's moving, top penny stocks. I day trade, I scalp Tesla, I swing, I do it all, guys. So if you want to learn how I day trade, how I do things, how I look at charts, if you want to get better at technical analysis, I've been doing it for a long time now. I believe I can bring a little bit of education so you can start building your own strategy. So if you have family, friends that want to get into trading, please bring them over so they can start learning. So until then, guys, please like it, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys mañana. Till then, adios.